Hi, Jason Keeler here, the Property Review Show. Good to see you. Welcome back. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much indeed. As we look at properties here and around the world, and today we're in Malibu, one street back from the beach, Sea Vista Drive, I think it is, $9.25 million, and it's just a fantastic house. It's a value for money Millionaire's mansion, and it's beautiful. I mean, look at this first picture here. It is fantastic. Stay with us though, we have so much to look at and it's beautiful. So stay right here as we look at these amazing palms at the front, this beautiful pool, and this amazing rendered finish of this home. With that skillion style roof there as well, which is quite nice and quite different to see on a home. Heading on in, Malibu Beach just down the road, and here we have a great collection of trees coming in and foliage, beautiful grassed areas, lovely driveway there. And it looks like a cement embossed driveway and colored as well. Double garage there, big entranceway, big porch coming in, and a lovely framed area too. Beautiful really, isn't it? What a spectacular home. Coming in, lots of shrubberies here, lovely, some red color here with all the green mixed in just to break it up a little. Inside we go, and what is not to like? I mean, this is a fabulous home. Look around here. Big entrance door here out to the garden and out to the alfresco. Huge skylight window, and this lovely mat coming in. Timber floors, they're lovely and wide. Staircase looks beautiful as well. Outside we go to the egg chair, swing chair there. Put your feet up, relax. Imagine it out on the deck there, the privacy, the beauty, the luxury. Oh yes, the lifestyles of the rich and famous. Yes, indeed, bifold doors heading out here, big bifolds onto the timber decking. Above you see it as well, so it's a lovely timber-inspired home. See the natural light coming through here, coming through the slats, another bifold set coming out of the other lounge area. Then we go into a sitting room, and we love this here. Look at this fantastic piece here. What a beauty. And then this curved sitting room with a raised, and you could argue lowered ceiling, but a raised ceiling with skylight there. Beautiful fireplace, amazing mantle. Look at that timber mantle there. Lovely accompaniment of furnishings, beautiful wide timber floors again, and views out to the garden again, looking so good. Into the kitchen. Ah yes, polished timber floors. They are beautiful. Indeed they are. Big breakfast bar with a huge island and double extractor hood. And then stainless double oven for plenty of guest cooking here. You can certainly make a wedding cake in one of these. It's double stainless fridge freezer and another sink over there too. Fantastic, beautiful splashback into the main living area. And we see a wonderful staircase going all the way up there. Lovely big skylight in the ceiling, speakers in the ceiling as well. It's a good deal, $9.25 million. It is a beauty. Lowered ceiling here, or raised, depending on where you want to look at it. No, it's lowered. And there we have the mirror, beautiful round, and this incredible Eiffel Tower. Look at it. They have some amazing collectibles here, timber samples here as well. These are like serving plates or serving timbers for cheese and breads and so on. Very nice little Eiffel Tower on the left there as well. We see it is 20 past 12 when the photo was taken, and what a fabulous kitchen. Bank of cupboards and drawers here. Wait for the outside. Wait with us. It will be beautiful as we get outside and look at the outdoors out the back and see how palatial this home really is. Inset lights, wonderfully done. Bifold doors, stacking there, and then we're going to head out. I'm just excited about the outside, to be honest. Love the inside. It's a balanced home. It's the best of good quality and high-end spec. A fire pit style fireplace, beautiful L-shaped lounge in the cream, and then a rendered wall as well where the TV sits. Lots of window light, lots of natural light. Here we go. This is what we've been waiting for. Outside we go, barbecue area, huge U-shaped barbecue area here with lots of preparation areas, breakfast bar, out to the pool. Let's head down there. Oh no, we're not. We're going back inside. I lie. And beautiful big doors here. Look at this solid timber. The handle on this is huge. Lovely skylight window up here. And that wonderful timber staircase. It all comes together It is just wonderful. Indoor-outdoor flow is superb. Onto the balcony we go, looking at that outdoor area. Color bond roof over here, steel roof there. Amazing mature palms and comfy furnishings. Up into the master bedroom. Balcony off. TV set. Lounge area raised up here. 2 steps up. What a wonderful position. You get the lighting there, the natural light. You've got this amazing rug. And again, timber floors with a pitched roof. Just nice. Look at the lounge area. I love you, it says. I love you, darling. I love you. It says it over and over. What a beautiful piece. And that lounge area is superb as well. What an amazing home. Fireplace here. That pitched ceiling looks so good as well. And here we have it, folks. You waited, and you waited for the right reason. Look at this garden. It is simply spectacular. We are outside looking at these amazing water features here into the pool. A spa down here with umbrella, nice style. Up here to this massive alfresco entertainment area for the sports games on the TV. Fire pit in the middle. It is all set up. It is fabulous. And then we see this incredible outdoor area again here, covered alfresco again. And we are impressed with the house for sure. Into the bathroom. Step up into the bath with granite everywhere. Big shower. Lots of shower heads there and beautiful views out. A seat as well. And some timber floor on that too, just to go in with the rest of the feel of the house. Triple shower heads. That's superb. And it's simply a magical experience. Love this palm here too. It is a beauty. There's your rendered finish. Chimney space here. And palms again. It's the perfect mix of lifestyles of the rich and famous. It is simply a stunning home in Malibu. Tennis court on the side, just over an acre. 1.4 acres here. Loving the pizza oven. Looks substantial, looks pretty magnificent. Into the tennis court room. You want to go and hang back here, maybe have a disco, because it looks like there's disco lights in here. And you can sit here with your friends, have some drinks, have a chat, catch up. The entertainer's paradise at $9.25 million. 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, 5,555 square feet. Yes, indeed. That's pretty good. 5 bed, 5 bath, 5,555 square feet home. Fabulous. Into the gym, it looks so good. This really is the perfect house. It is a fabulous example of prime location in Malibu. Look at that fire pit. Superb. Architecturally beautiful as well. It's a stunner. And that is why homes like this sell in no time whatsoever. Stunning landscape garden. It all comes together. There's that fire pit. It really is an impressive home for sure. One of my favorites under the 10 million mark. It really delivers on everything for this price point. Hope you enjoyed that one. I certainly did. And it is an exceptional example with night shots. There's your bird's eye view looking out to Malibu. And you see the big tall palms. It's a spectacular compound. Who would not love to live there? Fabulous indeed. Number 27033 Sea Vista Drive, Malibu, California. I'm Jason Keeler with the Property Review Show. See you on the next one. Please subscribe and would love to see you back. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Bye for now.